Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be focusing on banded workouts. So any type of workouts with bands I will be doing. Obviously not everything, anything I can fit into 10 minutes. Last video of 2020. So we're going to start off with the good old banded donkey kicks. Remember, or if you're in a country that the gyms are on lockdown, these are probably the only way to get gains. So you using resistance helps build muscle. So if you want that booty to pop, you know what to do with the bands, baby. So as you can see, my nephew is in a few shots and you'll probably be in a few shots throughout the video. I decided to leave him in there only for people with kids, whether it be moms, dads, grandparents, aunts, or uncles, just to show you that it can be done. You can work out with your kids there. Usually I put on a movie or a show or something to entertain him. He still gets in my way at times, but for the most part, if you do something to entertain them, they're pretty much out of your way. So just make sure you guys are not letting yourself go. And you remember, you have to think about yourself first so you can be better for your kids. I hope you guys are still with me as we get to, I find, probably the hardest part of the bands. I think for me it was hard to keep myself steady, but remember we're doing 4 sets, so if the first one isn't good, just keep going for the second, the third, and the fourth one. I always try to do 4 sets only because I know that you're supposed to get 30 minutes to an hour of activity, and usually once you're done 4 sets of one workout, that's like 10 minutes sometimes. So keep it going, folks. In the video, you can see that I'm using different types of bands. I don't know the different names of the bands, but you can literally search on Amazon, search on Walmart. I know online there's a lot of small businesses that sell them too, so try to support them. But you can see that they look different. I bought all of them because I know that there's different uses for them and they work out great for me. So this is the last workout of the video. I'm not going to do an outro. I want you guys to just enjoy the workouts and kind of get inspiration or ideas for your next workouts. 2020 has been an interesting year, so I'm just Hoping all the love, peace, self-care, growth, healthiness for everybody for 2021. Have an amazing New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and I will see you guys, or you will see me in 2021. Peace.